You are going to love the 2018 Yaris IA. The Toyota Yaris IA performs, handles, is safer, more fuel efficient, and better equipped than almost any other vehicle within its class. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season, tires rear all season, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.